Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy shotgun. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Big toy shotgun. This is black color, deep orange color, yellow color, light orange color combination toy shotgun. See this properly. This is a monster. This is look like a real shotgun, but not. This is a fake gun, toy gun, extra. Okay. Wow. Guys, it's have a what? This red light is red color. See the razor light various color have this razor light have various color, and I assemble it properly. Guys, now I see I assemble it properly. Okay guys, and how it's work, turn and shoot. Wow, what a sound it have guys. Nice. Another time, turn and shoot, turn and shoot. Wow guys, amazing. Then guys, I can show you this
Oh yeah.
green color aeroport. Okay, this is aeroport and that is have parrot green color. Wow, this is nice guys. Wow. And I want to see another aeroport that is also pink color. Pink color. See? Nice. Then guys, I can show you some many. Oh wow, the arrow. See the arrow? Wow, amazing guys. This two is green color and this two is blue color. Okay. Wow, amazing. Then guys, I can show you this toy bow. This is navy blue and orange color.
Oh yeah.
See the red. Amazing guys. This is the rope that is orange color. Then I can show you another. See the another bow razor light. Wow, this is yellow color rope, pink color and parrot green color combination toy bow. Wow, amazing. Wow. And how it's work? First of all, I need a bow. Okay, and I assemble it. So guys, I assemble it, and how it's work? First of all, you turn the rope. Wow. And then you shoot. Wow. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.